In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a field to single select in the Airtable mobile app. We'll walk through the exact taps you need to make on your phone, and I'll share quick tips along the way so everything is clear and smooth. Before we begin, make sure you have the Airtable app installed and that you're signed in with permission to edit the base you're working on. Start by opening the Airtable app. On the main screen, tap Workspaces. A workspace is simply a collection of bases, usually grouped by team or project. Choose the workspace where your base lives. Next, select the base you want to edit. A base is your database. Think of it like a project hub that contains one or more tables. Once your base is open, look to the bottom left and tap the three horizontal lines. This is the main menu button that helps you navigate inside your base. From there, tap the table name you want to update. The table is where your records live, arranged in rows and columns. Now tap Customize Fields. This is the control center for your columns, where you can change names, types, and other settings. Find and tap the specific field you want to modify. Choosing the right field matters because changing a field type can affect how data is stored and displayed. Inside the field settings, locate the field type section and tap the dropdown. This reveals all the different kinds of fields Airtable supports. Select Single Select as the field type. Single Select is great when each record should have exactly one value from a defined list, perfect for statuses like To Do, In Progress, or Done, priorities like High, Medium, Low, or categories where only one option should apply. It keeps data tidy and prevents typos or inconsistent entries. After selecting Single Select, review your choice to ensure it matches how you plan to use the field. If you're converting from another type, Airtable will map existing values where possible, and you can refine options later if needed. When everything looks right, tap Save. This applies your change and closes the settings. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see the option to customize fields, you might not have edit access to the base. Check with an admin. If the Save button isn't visible, try scrolling within the Settings panel. And if anything looks different on your device, make sure your app is up to date. That's it. Your field is now set to single select, keeping your data cleaner and your workflow more consistent.